East Indian wedding pickle. Sweet, sour, salty, spicy, and tangy at the same time, the traditional East Indian wedding pickle takes a few weeks to prepare. This is our modified modern version of this mouth-watering East Indian raw papaya and carrot pickle. No East Indian wedding can be complete without the infamous East Indian wedding pickle. Ingredients for the East Indian wedding pickle: carrots, papaya, ginger, green chilies, garlic, dried dates, black currants, cashew nuts, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, salt and vinegar. See how to make the infamous wedding pickle. Cut the carrots and green papaya into sticks, cover with turmeric and sun-dry for a while. Cut the ginger into 1-inch squares, and the dates into thin strips. Heat the slit chilies and garlic with vinegar. Then mix everything together in a wide bucket and add the mustard seeds before leaving it out in the sun. This is how it was done for my cousin Cress's son David's wedding. The pickle requires a lot of sun drying after this for about 4 to 5 days. If you now live in an apartment building like us instead of those old villas with balconies, we've modified the recipe to increase the fermenting time in a burnie instead. Once the pickle is ready, you'll see it at weddings and dinners. Here it's in the left corner at my sis's dinner party the day after the wedding. Follow this link for the recipe.